Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The time is advancing in the same way as it used to advance when the heavens and the earth were created. A year comprises 12 months, 4 of which are sacred, 3 of them, namely Dhul Qada, Zulhajj, and Muharram, are in succession, and the 4th one is Rajab, which is called the month of Mudar tribe, which is between Jamadul Ukhra and Shaban." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then asked, "Which month is this?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then observed silence, and we thought he might give this month a new name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Isn't it Zulhajj?" We submitted, "Why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then inquired, "Which city is this?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained silent for a while, and we thought that he might give that another name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Isn't it that very city?" We submitted, "Why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "What day is it?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then remained mute, and we thought that he might give that another name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Isn't it the day of sacrifice?" We submitted, "Why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your blood and your property." Muhammad bin Sirin narrates, "I think Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu also said, 'Your honor is sacred for each of you, like the sanctity of this day of yours, in this city of yours, and in this month of yours. And soon you will meet your Lord, and He Jalla Jalaluhu will ask you about your deeds. Hearken, don't lapse to depravity after me, decapitating one another. Hearken, those who are present here must convey it to the absentees, for sometimes those who listen retain the message better than those who convey it." When Muhammad bin Sirin was narrating this hadith, he said, "Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam spoke the truth." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "I have conveyed you the message." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said it twice. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4406.